What's up, Jammer Nation? Last week was the last time you're gonna hear the Jammerody sound like a crazy bat out of Hades.
It's exciting and a little sad all at the same time.
We're getting her loaded so we can take her to
Moore's Muffler, and we're gonna talk about what sort of exhaust we want to put underneath this machine.
Let's go, guys.
All right, Ryan, we just noticed something.
Yeah.
What did we notice?
We're a little low on air here.
Oh yeah.
Of that,
she's a little pudgy.
Our impacts are at someone else's house, and that's bigger than a 19. Alright guys, I gotta get this truck unloaded, get it in the shop. Jason's not with me today, he's on vacation, so let's get these mufflers sorted out. Let's go. Alright guys, Jammerody's up on the lift. We're here at Moore's Muffler, here in, I don't remember the town we're in. Fayetteville. Right next to me where I used to live. And he's looking at these guys, figuring out how he's gonna come off of them. Our F150 was different and these need a flat. So he's sorting that out, and then we're just gonna run 2, H-pipe them, and then dump them right here. See, I like to tell people I'm the star. You know, I don't worry about production stuff. I got to get all this ready. You know what I mean? It takes a lot to look this good on a daily basis, and then to film yourself looking this good.
Yeah, at least 5 minutes, don't it?
Yeah, at least 5. So we come down off of here, and he's got him running, and as you notice, he's running up like the frame runs up, and then our MagnaFlow muffler with our hanger. I don't care what anybody says, dude. You can left and right-handed, and you can go all the way around non-stop like that. So he's getting our H-pipe done all the way back from the headers all the way back, baby. Little mangy folk. Nice little downturn out here. So she will never be as loud as she once was. Yourself, because you may be in for a little bit of a letdown.
What do you mean a letdown?
It's a little bit quieter. You haven't heard it yet, so I can't wait to let you hear the fuel pump.
That's all I'm going to hear?
That's all you're going to hear is the fuel pump. That's how quiet this new exhaust is.
Wow.
It's pretty awesome. So let's go.
Let's check it out.
Oh.
Okay, Ryan, let's hear it. I hear the fuel pump.
That's as loud as the exhaust is going to be right there. It's running right now.
Really? It's running?
Yeah.
When it idles down.
Yeah, that's it.
It sounds nice though.
It's nice when you get on it, but it's not overbearing. Listen to that.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, it just bellows out.
Listen to that.
Nice and quiet.
Bro.
Not bad, huh?
No, I think that's awesome.
What's up, guys? Thank you so much. We hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you are in the Atlanta area and you are looking for a muffler shop to hook you up, straight pipe, do whatever you need, factory, whatever, hit up Morris Muffler. Again, that's Morris, M-O-R-I-S, Morris Muffler.
He's over in Fayetteville, Georgia.
Yeah.
It's the next city over.
Freaking awesome cat.
And man, we love it.
And he's got gorgeous hair. Gorgeous, flowing flocks.
Well, if you weren't surprised at the lack of volume.
Yeah, it's kind of a letdown. But
it did sound good with no exhaust, but that's not real practical.
It's unnecessary.
So, but I think for now, this is a great solution.
Yeah, and the pricing is amazing, guys.
Yeah.
Great deal. And on that note, we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!
Was that your muffled?
Muffled. Yeah. Oh.